The African worldview was well explained to the general public by our great scholar, Professor Maulana Karenga. He wrote a book called Introduction to Black Studies, where he spells out the features of ancient and traditional African religions. One of those features is God is near and far. Near meaning inside you. Some people use the Christian term immanent. And then far, some people use the Christian term transcendent. So if God is near and far, many religions have the idea that there must be intermediaries between people and God. And those intermediaries in the Nile Valley tradition are the Netters, the Neteru, whatever term you want to use. Right? And then in other African traditions, among the Yoruba, they then become the Orishas, right? Among the Dogon, they become the Numo, right? In other African traditions, among the intermediaries are ancestors.
The Africans did not call Oshun a god, or Ogun a god, or Yemaja a god. These were powers in nature. Not only powers in nature, but powers that is probable to be cultivated in each human being. Outside of that, those same forces that you recognize and learn from in nature, that you are able to cultivate in yourself because you're a replication of nature, you can then develop those qualities in the artificial society you create, known as your social ecology. Remember, your social ecology is something you're creating artificially. And you take the values from the natural forces of nature and you develop them into institutions, ideas, concepts, and principles in your social ecology. And that creates that culture and that theology by which you live and govern yourself ethically, morally, and principally.